Yes, Firdaus, you can ask your question.
Thank you. Congratulations, Julian. It was a very different performance to what we saw on Sunday. What would you put that down to? Was there any stern words shared, or was it just that you guys were bowling first, or what happened today?
Well, first of all, thank you so much. It was absolutely team effort, and we know that as a team we have to perform well. And first match, playing after long back, and it was take time to settle down your nerves. And I think and we were able to execute our plan today absolutely spot on. And yeah, it was good match for us today, and it was required for us this win.
Okay, who would want to go next? Do we have any raised hands? Yes, Shayan, you can go ahead with your question.
Hi, Julian. Congratulations on the victory. Just wanted to know something that in the first match, of course, it was you people were playing for the after a year. There was a little bit of rustiness and all that. Today, after this victory, what do you think actually worked for you guys? It was you said it's a team effort, but what is that area that the team particularly worked on after the first match?
Well, in first match, we get a good start, but we're not able to take it away. And bowling, we bowled both sides of the wicket. We were bowling, here and there. But today is much disciplined attack, and we batted also perfectly. Smithy he played till the end. Then Poonam Rao also follow her. So it was absolutely team effort, and we planned. And we are able to execute those things in a right way. And this is the important things for when you're coming back after long layoff, you need to settle down. But yeah, first match, it was not up to the mark. And today we were able to, whatever plan was there, we were able to execute in the right way.
Okay, Prajakta, you can go with your next question, please.
Hi, Julian. Just wanted to ask, can you please reflect on the importance of Smriti Mandhana, as she's been very consistent when it comes to performing in the second innings while chasing?
Smriti is very consistent from since long time, and she's performing really well, and she's one of the important batter in our side, either it's T20 or ODI format. She is one of the important player in our team, and her performance always matter, because when she batted, she counter to others. So it was really important for her to stay there and play longer innings.
Okay, Anisha, you can go ahead with your question.
Hi Julian, congratulations on that 4-4 and the victory. आपने जब T20 से retire किया था, then आपने एक बात बोला था कि the game has sort of moved ahead of you and you have become somewhat slower, as far as the shortest format is concerned. आज आपको देख के नहीं लगा कि किसी प्रकार से आपकी जो bowling intensity है और जो hunger है आपकी, वो किसी प्रकार से कम हुआ है? Can you talk us through कि ये longevity का जो कारण है? Players like you, Catherine Brunt, पिछले हफ्ते उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा performance दिया था इंग्लैंड के लिए. But for you specifically, Julian, what sort of keeps driving you aside from the fact that India एक साल में एक वर्ल्ड कप खेलने वाली है?
देखो, सबसे important बात है, when I retired from T20 cricket, I just wanted to focus in one format, and I'm getting a lot of niggles here and there, so it was quite difficult for me to maintain. And उसके बाद मैं अपने training के ऊपर काफी time spend किया, and try to do well each and every day. And yeah, representing India is the biggest motivation thing. I think इससे ज़्यादा चीज़ आपको चाहिए ही नहीं कुछ motivation के लिए. And as a performer, if you're not able to perform each and every day, then तो आप इस team के साथ belong नहीं कर सकते हो. And I always believe in that way, that as a performer, my job is to perform well each and every day. And obviously, unfortunately, COVID के वजह से World Cup postponed हुआ है. So it's definitely is important for us to maintain our fitness and be strong on the field, because it's not going to be easy. When you're representing World Cup, आपको हर चीज हर box को complete करना है. So I think as an individual, I have started since lockdown onwards. I was doing a lot of training, and I just keep following that. That's all, nothing else. Because representing India, that's the biggest achievement, and you have to do well. That's your responsibility. That's your job.
Okay, Amaya, you can go ahead with your question.
So congratulations, Julian, on your performance and India's win. So can you just tell us like how you picked up 4 wickets today? So what changes did you make in your bowling from the first game, and how big it was just to get back into the form and scalp those 4 wickets?
Well, I just try to bowl in the right area consistently. That's all. Because first match I was bowling bit outside off stump, and today I tried to bowl in hit the ball in the right area. That much adjustment I have done, and it was paid off. And today we bowled in the morning also. His ball was holding a bit, so it was not easy to play shots. So yeah, just adjust a bit here and there.
Thank you.
Subhayan from Vayan, you can go ahead.
Hi, Julian. Congratulations on the win. So it looked like completely 2 matches. The last defeat was obviously a big disappointment for everyone. So what was the discussion since the last match to this match, and how you guys returned to form? So what was the discussion after last defeat? Can you take us through that?
Nothing much. Only you just stick to our basics. And when you are coming back after long layoff, you need to work on your basics. Make sure that what routine you follow, you should maintain that same. And we know in a day we are a good team. So we just try to get back to our shape as soon as possible, and just stick to your basics. That's all. We did not discuss much about our defeat. We just stick to our basics things. Make sure that all your basics things are right.
So we'll take last few. Firdaus, you can go ahead with your question.
Julian, is there a distinct advantage to bowling first? I know you mentioned that obviously with it being quite early in the morning, but we've seen both sides. The chase seems like it's much easier.
Well, yes, absolutely. Because you're playing a 9 o'clock match, and when you're playing in a place like Lucknow, in the morning is little bit moisture is there in the wicket. So if you're able to hit the ball in the right area, the ball is holding you back. So it was not easy to play shots. It was much easier in a second innings because wicket looks very flat, and you just need to just play through the line. Yes, it was. If you're bowling first in this track, so far this looks a bit of advantages there for bowlers.
Okay, final question from Anisha.
झूलन क्योंकि स्क्वाड सभी मेंबर्स फिलहाल लखनऊ में है और कल शाम को बीसीसीआई सेक्रेटरी ने अनाउंस किया कि इंडिया एक वन ऑफ टेस्ट मैच खेलने वाली है इस साल इंग्लैंड में. किस तरीके का रिएक्शंस और कॉन्वर्सेशंस रहा है इसके अराउंड, और आपके क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है खुद से, बिकॉज वन कैन एक्सपेक्ट यू टू बी प्लेइंग योर 11th टेस्ट मैच देयर, बट टीम के रिएक्शंस, आपके खुद के रिएक्शंस प्लीज.
Anisha, everyone are very excited because we played a test match last against South Africa at Mysore in 2014, I guess. And after that, after 6 years, we are going to play test match against England. We all are excited because test cricket, one thing, and basically days match is one thing. As a cricketer, you wanted to play, you wanted to go there and perform well, because that's actually a lot of challenge required from your mental strength, your physical strength. And game change each and every session. So it was, obviously we all are excited and we are looking forward. And thanks to BCCI, they understood that this format also important for us. So I'd like to thanks to BCCI to taking up and bring test cricket for India.
Okay, we'll sneak in final one from Sriram Veera, please.
Julian, this is a question. Yeah, this is a question about Shefali Verma. What's the thought behind her non-selection ODIs? Is she only considered as T20 player? And can you just throw light on why she isn't playing ODIs, please?
Well, I think this question you should ask selectors. I'm not a member of the selection committee. I'm just a member of the team. Anything regarding Team India ODI things, today's match, I will to explain. But not regarding selection, because that's not my job. That's you have to ask selector. So I'm sorry about that.
Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Thank you. And we end the press conference right now. Yeah. Thank you.